I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to create an account on Curve, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Download the Curve app. Start by downloading the Curve app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app to begin the registration process. Step 2. Sign up. Before changing your settings, use the Ishraq.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Verify your email. Check your email for a verification link from Curve. Click on the link to verify your account. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Step 4. Complete your profile. Once verified, return to the app and complete your profile by entering your personal details, including your name and address. This information is necessary for account security. Step 5. Add payment cards. Finally, link your payment cards by selecting the Add Card option. You can manually enter your card details or use the camera to scan your card. Just be careful to ensure the card number is entered correctly to avoid issues later. Now you're all set to use Curve. If you run into any issues, just double check your details and try again. Happy banking!